In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom contact form 7 in Elementor. We'll start right inside your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the plugins option, hover your mouse over it, and then click on Installed Plugins. This will show you a list of all the plugins currently active on your site. Scroll through that list until you find Contact Form 7. Under its name, you'll see several links. Click on the one labeled Settings to open the Contact Form 7 Settings area. Inside the Contact Form 7 Settings page, look toward the top left of the screen. You should see a button that says Add Contact Form. Go ahead and click that. This will open the form editor. At the top, give your new form a clear, descriptive title so you can easily recognize it later, especially if you'll be creating multiple forms. Make sure you're on the Form tab, which is where you actually build the structure of your form. Here, you can add fields such as name, email, subject, message, or any other fields you need. Take your time to arrange and customize the fields so the form collects exactly the information you want. When you're happy with the setup, look to the right side of the screen for the status panel. At the bottom right of that panel, click the Save button. Wait for the page to reload. After it reloads, under your form title, you'll see a shortcode appear. Carefully select and copy the shortcode, as this is what you'll use to embed the form in Elementor. Next, go back to the left-hand menu and click on Pages. From the list of pages, find the page where you want to display this custom contact form 7. Hover over the page title and click on Edit with Elementor. Once Elementor opens, look at the left panel where all the widgets are listed. Use the search bar to look for the shortcode widget. Drag and drop this shortcode widget onto the exact area of the page where you want your form to appear. In the widget settings on the left, paste the shortcode you copied from Contact Form 7. Give it a moment to load, and Elementor should display a live preview of your form. Take a look at how the form appears on the page. If needed, adjust spacing, alignment, or surrounding elements until it fits nicely with your design. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, go to the top right corner of Elementor and click Update, or Publish if this is a new page. Your custom contact form 7 is now successfully added to your page using Elementor.